Hey.
Hi. Today I found, let me share my screen first. Might be a little easier. Okay. So I found this one. Oh no. Well, whatever. I found my first one was called Paper.ly. I assume Paperly we're gonna call it. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but so when you go on here, this is like what you come up to when you go on here. And I just already made an account and I'm logged in. I think I should be logged in. So when you come on here, it's like access to like articles, blogs, media material, like anything you could like pretty much possibly need, like to do research or anything like that. And when you do it, you select what type of sources you want, like a video, or even if you just want like a tweet, like a reference, like a quote type of tweet or something, you can look for that on here. And you pretty much just type in a subject and it gives you sources that you can use for everything. And when I was messing with it, you can like actually like make a newspaper. So I had one. Where was it? Is this it? This is it. I had one that I started. So when you kind of pull everything up, it comes up like this, and you would have like headlines and like your name as the new whatever name you give it. So like you could actually make like a class newspaper of things that you find throughout the year. And when you come over here, you can go to content, and I had some resources I looked up, which there's like a processing error, but you can pretty much search for anything. Like you can search for education, you can look it up, and then you've got tweets about education, you've got all of this stuff, RSS, you've got Facebook pages you can look at, groups from Google, YouTube, anything. So like if you wanted to say add like this education tweet, you can hit click add, and then it's like in your results now.
Oh, neat.
Even though all of mine are having like an error problem, but they're there. So like you could make like your newspaper by all this information, and it pretty much does all the searches for you of like anything you want.
Wow, that's
That was
great.
like really cool. I thought it'd be a fun class assignment to like make a newspaper article.
Yeah, that would be a great project, and also just like for writing papers too, it'd be like a great resource to find all different references.
Yeah. And like their paper assignment could be like the online newspaper that they could make.
Yeah, I love that. That's great. I would definitely use it in my classroom. Okay, so the next tool that I found was called Electron Inks. I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So this one is, okay. It's called Circuit Scribe, and it is a silver conductive ink pen that you can actually buy and own, and they also have like a digital version online too on the website. And I'm just gonna play this quick video for you to see like what you can do with the pen, what it's about. Yeah, so you draw with the ink and you connect the different circuits, and then it makes things work too since it has silver in it, which is super neat. Like you could buy it and use it in your classroom.
Oh my god, that's like crazy.
Yeah, it's awesome. And it comes from a pen and that you can like use it. So that's what it is. And they also have different kits you can buy and tools for your classroom with it. And
Some of
then
them aren't expensive either. That's crazy.
yeah, like 20 for the whole kit with the pen is $25. So that'd be awesome just to have a pen. That'd be really cool.
That's so cool. That's like just life changing right there.
Like wow, like I didn't even know this existed. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so then you can see like how the ink is also different, it doesn't smear and the other ones. Which is so cool. And yes, there's all different kits that you can buy, and they even have like a online digital stimulator that you can use and create your own without the pen, but like it's just all online. So I like made an account and start it so you can add different modules what you want to use. Like you can use USB power, battery. So you just add it to your little, and then you would use the pen, and then you could then like back to the different spots. Start here. And then I think you press start, and I think yeah. So then it would start working, and you could use all different things with it. Power. You need like a power button, input, and then all different connectors that can attach to it. So I thought that was super neat that even if you couldn't buy it for your classroom, the kids could still do it online on the website. And I would definitely even buy the pen too, just to have it in the classroom because I think it's super neat.
Yeah, I would definitely buy that pen just because I would want to mess with it. That thing.
Yeah, it is so cool. Yeah, and they have all different.
Kids are gonna like. We like it.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, it's awesome.
That thing's neat.
Yeah, I just think it's cool that it's a pen too, and you can just draw, and it actually makes it work. So yeah.
Yeah, it's so easy and so easy for kids to use.
Yeah, definitely a must-have for the classroom.
Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot.
Me too. Love it.
Okay, so the next one I did was, minimize this. Okay, where to go? My next one was it's called Amaze, but it's like Amaze, and you can make an account. And when you have your own account, like as a teacher, you can make presentations on your computer, obviously, and you can share them with other teachers if you want to have them shared, and other teachers can get them, kind of like our like Digo type of thing. And then when you hit explore, you can find other people's. So I thought it was really cool, and they really looked really cool. Like some of them, like I looked at this one. It's not in English, but for not being in English, it's kind of cool. Because like when you go on it, then you hit play, and it takes you like in it. And when you go through it, it's kind of like a newspaper, and it has like information.
It says it kind of reminds me of like a Prezi almost, but even better.
Yeah, it's a lot like Prezi. It's a lot like Prezi. But it's just like really interesting, and I think it makes it like a different, fun way for kids to learn stuff because they've got like so many on here. Like they've got movie quiz, they have a lot of foreign language ones. They have stuff about a bonsai tree. And all of them, I think it said like on the top you can get like translated if you want it, like with Google Chrome at least, you can have it translated. They have like this one about Martin Luther King. This one looks like it's in English. Yeah, they're just like really neat. Like they're different.
Yeah, I really like it. Is it an English website or is it?
I think it's everything because they have like this one's English.
Yeah.
But, and then some are not. Yeah, like this is just so cool. Like it's so different.
Yeah. I
videos in it.
Wow.
And yeah, like I really liked it.
Yeah, I think kids would have a fun time making them too, and like interacting with it and like going deeper into their subject.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, and I think it's even better than Prezi, honestly, because it looks more interactive and more cute too.
Yeah, and I think kids could do it. Like kids could use it, and it's just like it's fun. I thought it was kind of fun to look at them.
Yeah, definitely. So the next tool that I found was called Web 2.0 Tools. I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is what it is. It was from discoveryeducation.com, and there's all different types of tools on it, like presentation tools, video tools, mobile tools, community tools, and some of the mobile tools included Poll Everywhere, which was a really neat thing that you can get for your phone. So if you're in a classroom and I guess students have cell phones, or even they can use their computer, they can do like a live poll for like responses, and it shows like how the numbers change and like what percentages or with what choice, like if it was like a multiple choice question. So like the live poll response, and like it'd be even cool to do like I guess around with voting or something in the classroom to see how numbers change overall after more votes are added into it. That was neat. And then Phone IO is just like an online voicemail and calling conferences. You can do like another like Google Hangout kind of thing with the conference calling. And then Jot.com, I brought up the website, and it's like a messenger that you can also get for your phone, and it's kind of like the app GroupMe. You can add different people to it and talk to them and have conversations, and then find people that are near you and share it through social media, group chats. So yeah, it's just another way to connect if not everyone has like same type of cell phone, so you can all talk to one another. And
Yeah,
then,
that's really cool.
yeah, I love that. And then presentation tools, they gave a list of couple of tools that you could use to show presentations. So SlideShare is a good website that you could upload like a PowerPoint or Keynote slide. Prezi, which we know about and did before, which is a great website as well. And then PicViewer, it is just like a website where you can upload different photos and share them like a online community.
Oh, that looks really cool. That actually looks like a really helpful website. It's got like a little bit of everything everywhere.
Yeah, definitely. And then video tools, this can help you with video editing and making movies. So Antimoto, it turns pictures into videos. And yeah, it actually does it for you and makes them into a different
That's really cool.
you choose the theme and stuff, and you can add pictures and other video clips and music to it. And then Animoto education is for teachers and students, so they're tied into lessons. Photopeach.com is just another website where you can have slideshow with built-in polls and quizzes. Let me click on that one. Yeah, so you can just add different photos, and I guess you can turn them into quizzes as well. Yeah, so there was like so many different websites on here too.
Yeah, that website's like just
It's a lot.
It's like our Google Hangouts in a page.
Pretty much, yeah, it's so much. So there's also Google Docs, which you're familiar with, which you can all share one like Word document, and everyone can type on it. Wiki Spaces, and then just like a different your own like social network or social community within like other teachers. You can go on there and I guess talk to one another. So is Classroom 2.0, that's the same thing. And then they're all just strange names. Yugma is desktop sharing, which we kind of do now with Google Hangouts, where you can like show your screen with that. Smartboard Revelation is just where you can also share whiteboard files. Creative Commons, which you know about. And I'm going to click on this one. Let's see it. Clicked on it earlier. Yeah, so this is just another like online community where you can conference call and then also share your desktop too, which is important if you wanted to show another teacher something that you had as an idea and you couldn't actually see them that day, so you can show on your screen. So yeah, so many helpful websites on this tool. So it's Discovery Education Web Tools 2.0.
Yeah, I really like that. That's really helpful. It's got a little bit of everything that you could possibly need for like teaching and your students.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So that is that one.
Okay. My next one. Go ahead and share my screen. So my next one was our QR codes, which we've done a lot of work with. So you just go to like this website and it takes you right where you're at. And so you just pick how you want your, okay, if it would stop doing that, what your QR code will be. If it's going to be like text, a phone number, an email, a URL, like it's just going to take them to a website or something. So you would like put it in there and then you would generate the QR code. Like, let's say we're going to take them to this one. So we're going to copy that, and then like paste it into there. You would generate the QR code. And then, so like there it is. So then when you like scan it, you can like print that out and like put it around your room.
Mm-hmm.
And just like we kind of talked about in class with the iPads, like have the kids go around and it could be like a scavenger hunt or something like that for them. And I thought it was really cool and really helpful.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I really like that one.
Yeah, I love QR codes. I think they're so fun, and I just love the idea that you can scan like this random barcode and it comes up to a picture or a website and stuff. So it's a lot faster.
I really like it. It's just like a fast way to do like a scavenger hunt and say like the old school like going around kind of things.
Yeah, and then you can't even see what it is because it's a barcode, so you don't know until you scan it, and it's like really interactive too, which I like.
I think it's the kids more like hyped up to do it. I think they find it amazing.
Puts a lot of interest in it when you add like a QR code. So
yeah.
Wow, yeah. So those are like really helpful websites that I could definitely use and even buy some of the tools too for classrooms. Yeah, so they'll come in handy for sure.
Oh, I like them.
Me too. I will definitely use them as resources. Yes, so it was great talking to you and learning about all the new tools.
As always.
Yeah. So I'll talk to you next time, but thank you for sharing all that with me.
Oh, no problem. Thank you too.
Okay, bye.
Bye.